Welcome back, my students. It's time to discuss the laws of exponents. We understood what is exponents. A raised to n mean a multiplying n times. Okay, it's time to discuss its laws. Law number one, first law for any non-zero real number a, we define a raised to 0 equal to 1. It doesn't matter what the base is. Of course, what one thing is matters, we cannot take 0. If I exclude 0, and I'm taking any base, that base raised to 0 is always 1. What is 7 raised to 0? It's 1. 10 raised to 0 is 1. 1000 raised to 0 is 1. 3 by 2 raised to 0, it's 1. Root 2 raised to 0, it's 1. Any real number raised to 0 is 1. But don't think 0 raised to 0 is 1. It's not. This is wrong. And 0 is something else that we will learn in higher standards. Okay. For now, for any non-zero number, that number raised to 0 is 1. That's the first law. It's time to discuss the second law. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If the base is same and powers are different and they are multiplying. Powers no needed to be different, but powers are some m and n. Then it's same as at the same base, powers will get added. For example, okay, I will give you another example for that. For example, what is 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4? Learn it. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 is same as 2 raised to 3 plus 4. The answer is 2 raised to 7. Why this works? Do you have doubt why this works? 2 raised to 3 mean 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So if we're taking product of both of them, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 raised to 7 it is. Simple. Maybe you need more example. What is 7 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 5? The answer is 7 raised to 3 plus 5. 7 raised to 8. The rule is a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Okay, if the base is same and powers are different or base is same, the same base, then the powers will get added. Yeah. Maybe you need more example. What is 32 raised to 15 into 32 raised to 15? Okay, both have same base. Something like a raised to m into a raised to n. What is that? A raised to m plus n. But in this question, m and n, both of them are same. 32 raised to 15 times mean 32 multiplying 15 times. Here, this 32 raised to 15 mean 32 multiplying to 15. Total 32 multiplying 30. So this is 32 raised to 15 plus 15. 32 raised to 30 it is. So we learned two laws of exponents as we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you all.